ED raids, Sreesan Pharma in Kancheepuram, over Coldrif, cough syrup tragedy. Kancheepuram, the Enforcement Directorate ED on Monday conducted raids at the premises of Sreesan Pharma in Katra, Kancheepuram district, in connection with the Coldrif cough syrup case. The investigation is linked to the deaths of several children reportedly caused by the consumption of the contaminated syrup. Officials are examining financial records and production details to trace possible irregularities and determine responsibility for the lapses that led to the fatal incident. The raid is part of a broader probe into pharmaceutical safety and regulatory violations.